Good. Break. You see what they just did? There was technique there. There was a pull. So be patient on it, because there's going to be times where you're not going to like it. You can't. Your opponent's holding you on the wall, and you can't get out. You're frustrated. I've seen people get in fights because of it.
Yeah,
ready?
Go, Levi.
Set. Go. Ooh.
Nice, Levi.
Push. Put them. Keep them there.
Good.
There you go. Use your feet. Use your feet. Both of you guys. You should be using your feet to turn, push. Oh, hips. Where's your hips? Step through. Keep up. Stay up. Get back up.
Balance.
And his job is to get off the wall, put me on the wall, and I'm fighting it. I'm grabbing, I'm turning. Boom. And I've got to keep him on the wall. He's trying to do the same thing to me. Okay. Does that make sense? Okay. That's the only time you're really going to go live right here. You're going to learn that as I pull here, see what I just did right here? I can shove him on the wall. Okay? Go! Position yourself! Stay in good position! Position yourself! Look at your feet work! Keep your head up! Chest up! Hips! Get that elbow up! There you go, get that elbow up right there. Boom. Yes, there you go. See that little technique? Stay on the wall! Keep him on the wall! Right? 5 seconds right. 5 seconds right. Set, go! Come on. Position yourself, you're too low, you gotta get your hips up. Yes, there you go. Yes, you see how they're using that one? Get it backwards. There you go, nice. Get he's on the wall. Keep on the wall, guys. Take it forward, yes. Pummel in there.
Slide down, Sarah. Slide down and hip forward.
Hips in there. Come on, get it. Great. See that much better than you stick your hand in there. Lift a little bit. Set, here we go, last one. Set, go. Come on. Lift. Pummel. No trip. Go. Pressure. Push hard. Pummel. Reach up, yes.
Stopping session.
Good. Go.
Better work on those muscles while they're moving. Nice.
Rinse.
Wait, be ready.
Yes, there you go. Good.
Go.
Yes, nice. Good. There you go. There you go. Keep your feet apart. Keep them apart.
Nice job, Bill.
Drag your chest between. Yes.